Hello there guys, how are you? I am Enoch Suarez. Welcome to my channel where we are gonna learn and grow together. Basically, I'm gonna start some tutorials on coding and I'm gonna explain the basic of what we are gonna do and some stuff about myself. So let's start with myself. So I am a Brazilian student of systems analysis and development at Mackenzie Presbyterian University. As you can see here, this is a repo that takes in the description this idea that I'm going to share with you now. Originally, it was something for me to keep track, okay, of the stuff that I was doing, but it is repurposed now to be used in the channel to help people around the world. And while to help people around the world, I'm also going to help people that are in other semesters and in my own semester, of course. I'm going to the fourth semester in February of 2024, where the academic year takes place as a start here in Brazil. So there are people in the first semester to whom I spoke about in the WhatsApp group that I would be doing some videos in Java, on Java, okay, on Java subject. So I will do so, and let's do a quick review here about our syllabus, okay, just on programming. And just so you know, I also work on IT, okay, I'm a consultant with business partners of a big tech. I work helping partners for this big tech, basically, okay? I do not work directly for them, but I do represent them. So I am in the IT field already, but I do not work with programming. I'm learning too, and I hope you guys can always comment, give me insights, and let's grow together. Let's follow along. So basically, at the course in the first semester, we took Python, okay, as the introductory level of programming. And I have a lot of stuff here on Notion, okay? I'm not going to be showing you much of Notion, although I have to make it more visual appealing here if I do. It's not essential, of course, but anyhow, this is the first semester, okay? It's in Portuguese for now, but in the following videos, I'm not sure if I'm going to be showing much of Notion. This is not the main aspect. I'm just showing you that I do have stuff from our syllabus here at Mac University, that is Mac short for Mackenzie, as we call it many times. So this great university. So basically, they start is with Python. Then there is Java in the second semester. I will dive into Java, but first I will do a review of Python, okay? For those of you who wish to skip, you can skip, and when the videos on Java start being uploaded and being ready for you to watch, you can go on them directly. But I do recommend that you go back and do your review, because getting out of the first semester, you learned a lot of stuff through around 6 months or so. And a review is very interesting before you dive into Java, which is a more complex language. All right? It is feasible to learn, but it is more complex, so a review will help a lot, and this is why I'm starting in this manner. So basically, I am not necessarily go through every exercise as the exercises happened in our syllabus. Okay? And this is also for everyone. It doesn't matter if the person is a fellow student of us with us at the university. This is not the point. But I am gonna, in order to help you guys, approach the same kind of subjects, okay? The same aspects, not necessarily using the same exercises. And then we are gonna go from the review to Java, okay? So up to the second week, mid-January, around that, we will start on Java. And this is it. I will be posting our codes here, okay, on GitHub. You are going to be able to follow me, of course. So, for example, there will be codes on Python, and there will be codes on Java. Of course, we will be working with the English language in the next ones, okay? So, this is it for now. And I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have some comments, if you have anything, feedbacks, please reach me out on WhatsApp, reach me out via the comments, use the comments, please like share, and subscribe, and let's all grow together. Also, um, talking on the subject, you are pretty welcome to follow me on Twitter, okay? Where I am engaged on the 100 Days of Code challenge, and I'm posting every day. I have to post for today, so I will be learning more, and I will be posting here my update. And I invite you guys, if you wish, also to start. It is a public commitment to help you grow. So have a nice one and all the best. Much appreciated.